probably have to come out right here, but I'm sure once we get you turned over and roll back around, we'll just sneak you right down around this lip right here. All right, well, I think what I'm going to do is take this Jeep around. If I had guts, I'd go bombing up around it right there, but I don't have the guts. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So we're going to get out of here and go try a different approach. Let me get it shot up real quick. Make sure we don't. We're going to get out of here and go try a different approach.
How long have you been doing this?
It takes some getting used to that. Well, we about got all the winch cable out we got, and we're gonna just get up over the top of this real quick. So it's not ideal to be on that seat belt thing, but it's rubbing on the rocks up there. I might go above that rock. There we go. Tell me if my Jeep falls off that cliff.
Back on. Let's go. We cannot turn it on, right?
What I'll do is probably get it, we'll see if we can get it up on the level a little bit. If it has oil in it, I think we're okay.
That is beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
Are you recording it?
Yes. Yes, everybody's. Huh? All right, boss. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, 25 years of marriage, I can tell you, yes ma'am are the words you need to learn.
Yeah. Good thing we're not fighting.
Because I said yes ma'am to her 3 times between here and there.
Because she's bossy as fuck. You've only been with her for 10 minutes.
Hey, I think she's great. What are you guys whining about?
She brings a lot of motherly, you know. Yeah, she's a leader.
So is motherly energy the same as common sense?
Don't ask me who was driving that one.
She already told on herself.
Yeah, that's what he's scared at.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice a little equipment here. Put yourself in a little bit of a bad spot, but I know how much tension I do and don't have on that thing, so I'm just stabilizing the machine here. Now we're good to go.
Nice. That was beautiful.
That was kind of scary.
It was so scary.
All right.
Which way should we bring it up? That way?
I think let's do this. I don't have much cable. You know, if I park this thing right there, I might could just use it. Okay, let's do this then. Let me go grab a snatch block.
Will you help us get out of here?
Yes, I will make sure you get out.
It's like if you flip over again on the way out,
You
like
can help us bring it up, right?
Oh yeah, I'll make sure everybody gets out.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Now, our
would it be
favorite
possible
is
to use that razor for this one?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook this one to it.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's what you're doing. Okay, cool.
yeah.
This thing in park? Maybe. It is now.
I don't think so. I don't think it was. I can't remember.
Oh, yeah, you were.
Should I put weight in this?
Let me see what it does here. I'm gonna have to hook higher.
It's moving.
I think we're in good shape now. What we need to do is we just need to lift a little bit right here and just push a little.
Okay.
It's better to take a little time than to screw it up even worse, you know?
Exactly. Do it right.
That,
Nice. I feel like we're in Mars. And then this is like part of Mars.
you can stay in the sand or you can go on the rocks, it's fine. It's 105. We got them all out. They're gonna follow me down to the main drag. It's a warm son of a gun. I gotta go for a hike though. It's kind of lousy. Gotta go over here and get my Jeep, but why not? If you ain't having fun, you ain't living life, that's for sure. Just don't cross the line. Woo, look at that dog. We're gonna get our butts handed to us. Flash flood, baby. Woo! Southern Utah has the best rainstorms. Monsoonal flows get in here and they just rains good every evening for the last few days. It's been great. Look at that rain and coming down. Man, it's gonna get going. Is it ever gonna get going? Look at this. Freaking amazing. That's what I'm talking about.